Okay, guys, we're gonna go from our stop and go into our Scooby-walk. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is just the arms. Actually, let's do it together first, and then we'll break it down. Okay, 5, 6, actually from here, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. First part is a stop and go. Second part is Scooby-Doo. Let's start with the stop and go. First thing I want you to do is, let's do the legs first, okay? So focus on your legs. We're facing the front, the mirror. You're gonna go right on the 1. It's right here. That's the arm, but the hip's going forward, just going back, okay? 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me break that down. So right on the 1, forward. Right on 2, you're stepping back. Okay? So okay, when you start facing the mirror, I'm gonna go sideways. We have 1, 2. Right on the 2, I want your when your legs back, your feet is already facing our right side. Okay, so your toes are already facing that way. So 7, 8, 1, 2 is this way, and then I'm gonna go 3. Right when my legs are together, I'm already facing my right side, which is that side. Let's do it together. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, and then right on 4, same thing. 4, I'm going to step back to the front. 4 is right here, and toe is already facing this way. So one of the key pitfalls some people do is 3, and then 4, we step out this way, but you want to step out this way. 4, and then come around, and 5, facing the front. Okay. So the legs again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're just going to repeat that, right? 6, 7, 8, back to 1 again. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good. So practice the leg first. I think the leg is more fundamental because if you have a strong base, if you're not falling up all over the place, then it's easier to learn the arms, okay? Once you got the legs, the arm goes like this. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? So 1 is good, right? You're a football referee. The goal is good. 1 and notice the and. I'm dropping my hands and giving myself a slap right in the lap. Okay? Don't do too hard because then you'll get red for sure. So you're gonna go soft. 7, 8. 1 and 2. On the 2, I'm stabbing with my right first. 2 is right. And imagine you're holding a knife and stabbing. We don't condone violence here, but it's just a visual. You're just punching forward. It's not really a punch this way. It's not like a karate punch. It's more like a... Okay, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 is the same as the 1, right? 3 and in the 4, now I'm stabbing with the left hand. So I stab with the right, now I stab with the left because we want to be ambidextrous. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now repeat. And 5, 6, 7, and 8. We stop at 1. Okay? Now let's put it together with the legs. This is the part that most of you find a little bit difficult. But we can do this. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Once you get to this, then we're going to move forward. If you haven't got this down good, rewind the tape and do this over again, okay? So you got 3 and 4 is right here. When I pivot out, I'm pivoting from the heel. So that means the toes are going out, heels are not moving. Here's my 2. So again, you have 1 and 2. With the hands, we're going to do like a penguin, right? Just keep your elbows locked and your hands out. Just keep it here. This is 2. So Scooby-walk goes like this. Kick, ball. From the change, on the change part, we're not changing. You're going to kick, ball, and then both toe goes out, and you're pivoting on the heel on the right side. So 7, 8. 1 and 2. Okay, one more time. 7, 8. 1 and 2. The key is the and. So it's not 1 and 2. It's 1 and 2. Okay? If you guys were in class, you remember that and is very, very important. That change right here, kick ball right here, the ball, you gotta have the other knee up, okay? So I kick with the right, one and, on the and, boom, left knee is up. It's not one and. This knee is down, even though my leg is off the ground, it's different from that, okay? We need the knee in the front, okay? As we step down, boom, I'm stepping down right into our plie for the ballerinas, okay? 1 and 2. Now, the key is after 2, you gotta come up. But you only come up, yeah, you wanna come up this way. This time, the knee is down, okay? So you have 1 and 2, and. That's the and. You wanna practice 1 and 2 and. Again, when you're practicing at home, if you need to, hold on to the wall, or chairs, or a friend or family. Just as long as you're stable, yeah? 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Good. Make sure that's good. Now the 3. Okay, let's got the 3. So we're gonna go on to the 3. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Once you get the 3, now you can complete the cycle. Okay? So you're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's go all the way to 8. Okay? 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Good. In our routine, we start actually on the 3, right? Because we have 1 and 2, and then we go right to the 3. Okay? So let's do it one more time all the way. 6 from the 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Nice. Good.